Hello guys, welcome to Ghana Today TV, and I'm Nanako Fee, once again here to bring you exciting and trending stories on social media. So yes, Akuapem Poloo is in the news. Yes, she's actually complaining, saying that since she got married, she can't shake her bum bum again. That's what she's saying, and it's not like she hasn't tried to do it. She says she wants to do it and post it so that people will watch it, but every time she shake her bum bum and make a video of it and tries to post it, the bum bum is not shaking. She doesn't understand why. Maybe it is the effects of getting married. She doesn't understand why. So yes, she posted it online, and she tried to actually shake it, but Charlie, maybe the thing is true, because Akuapem Poloo, that those of you who have followed Akuapem Poloo, we all know that she likes to do stunts like this. She likes to do some contents like this. Yes, we both know some, and you be on social media on TS both know no shaky in your man on social media, and that's how she rose to fame. And yes, recently police phone go back and forth near Jane say that was the end of Akuapem Poloo, but still now when she does it, people talk about it. So we were just there, and she says she's getting married. We don't know the genesis of this whole marriage, if she was dating the guy already, or if it's just something planned, because we all know Akuapem Poloo, she likes the fame, she likes the hype. Or no, they say hype, or so yes, there you can see her, showing the ring to the whole world, saying that I'm married now, and some of the emojis Ghana for me the Jimmy or maybe I'm Pemi. Look at me, I am married, and a guy girls now, my boss chicks no, still now, be worry still now, money papa for no, and echo out. So yes, there you have it. Akuapem Poloo complaining that she can't work anymore, or she can't shake her bum bum anymore. She doesn't even look good when she's dancing. Maybe it is the effects of getting married. The marriage has taken responsibility of her body. Baby, I am fat. So let me know what you think in the comment section below. If she should, stop these things once she's married. Yet she should, stop all these, sorry to say, nonsense, and just pay attention to her son and her, new husband. No. Yes, let me know what you think in the comment section below. It's Ghana Today TV. Please do well to subscribe, and also thank you.